Hello everyone. In this video we will see that if we are adding any new inquiry in the CRM, how we can assign a task to particular sales rep. So for that, go to miscellaneous. Under miscellaneous, go to the workflow. In workflow, create new. Here you need to enter the details of the workflow name like inquiry alert. Select the module accounts, channel. Don't select here anything. Workflow type should be event based and evaluation variables created. Select the closing date, that after which date workflow or the automation should stop working. So for example, I'm creating it for tomorrow. Click on next. Now click on add conditions, add rules. So here the first rule should be account name as value, and the second rule, salesperson is Amit. So here what I'm adding, if any inquiry which I'm adding new in the CRM and assigning to the salesperson Amit, a alert will be or a task will be assigned to Amit. Here for setting an email alert, select the email under user, select the name of a person you want to send an email and CC to whom you want to share. Enter the subject line and then click on save. But the best way is assign a. I'll go here. I'll just say I'll assign one task here as a reminder. Share with task like this. Check. Set the due date like 1 day. Okay. And in case you want to share this task with anyone else, you can select his name here, assign to the person who are assigned task, and click on save, and then again click on save. Now automation has been created. So every time a new inquiry will be added in the CRM and the assigned to salesperson Amit, it will automatically assign a task to Amit stating that a new inquiry has been submitted. Please look into it. Now to start the automation, click on the run scheduler and yes. So now this automation will automatically run every time a new inquiry will be added in the CRM, and any point of time you want to stop it, click on the stop. So this is how you can automate the alert process. Thank you.